in a matchup between Andrew Holness and Mark Golding in 2030, who do you intend to vote for? So we will cover the hypothetical question. Since, as Mr. Golding is saying, he's going to be staying there, we want to ask the people of Jamaica if they could hypothetically look forward to that matchup. What would they do? We're also going to put the question about the budget to the people. And whilst we do not have the resources to cover a broad cross-section of Jamaica, and therefore we have to up the margin of error because of the sample size, we feel that with our political instincts, we can capture the political temperature in the country. Now, this is the first media network in Jamaica that is going to be doing that so early after the election. And we have developed quite an impressive team of Harry, Scratchy, Shafreen, Caroline, yes, and yeah, I know my CEO. Maybe taking me to task for doing this, but I have several people that work with me to make sure that we stay on the cutting edge. So look forward to that. The Hello Neighbor Politics Plus polls coming out in April. Of course, we have very little money to operate with. And therefore, if you want to sponsor the forecast and the poll, we ask that you help us to do it, okay? The information on how you can help us is going to be on your screen. If you are on YouTube, it's on your screen. If you are on TikTok, the Zelle account is 954-635-8732. When you make the contribution, tell them you want to sponsor the poll, or you can cash up $Caroline Perrier. That's $CARROLINE, capital PERRIER. Shefreen, are you there?
I am here.
And how are we doing on all the platforms right now? This is a test.
Yes. So in terms of the visuals for YouTube, I'm going to need you to shift the camera for StreamYard over a little bit. So
okay, so you're not seeing my face because I'm looking in the I'm looking in camera 1. So what I don't have camera 2
okay.
up. So I can do that later on. Okay, so I would have to move like that. And are you seeing me now?
I see you on TikTok.
You know,
I see your shoulder on YouTube.
Okay. So you see me now?
On TikTok, yes.
All right. So you can't stream the TikTok. You can't stream the TikTok on YouTube.
Oh, perfect. I can see you now.
Yeah, but
you're in the camera.
That's because I have moved across. So what I was asking is if you can't take the stream from TikTok.
Oh, to put on YouTube. I would have to do all of them in one studio through StreamYard.
Okay. Let me ask the listeners, are you hearing me on TikTok? Are you? If you are on TikTok, are you hearing me? Those of you who are on TikTok, are you hearing me? Are you hearing me on TikTok? Yes. They said yes. They are hearing me on TikTok. Yes. Okay. Oh, fantastic. All right. And you are hearing me on YouTube, Shafreen?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Absolutely.
It's just that we need a camera to solve that. Okay. We will fix that for later on. All right. So we'll fix that for later. So what I have to do, because I only have one camera up now, so I have to make sure that I get that sorted out for this evening. All right. So listeners, this evening we'll be on at about let me see what time. Just I'll confirm that with the team. What time we'll be on this evening, and we will let you know. Hello there, Miss Palmer. How you do? Great to have you. The budget debate, of course, is going to move into another gear tonight. I believe that Jamaica is at a pivotal moment with the leader of the opposition drawing ideological lines. Clearly, Mr. Bolin wants to become prime minister. Mr. Bolin is not satisfied that he lost the 2025 election. And Mr. Bolin is going to go for another shot at it. Very interesting. And I think Mr. Golden launched his re-election bid in the parliament on Tuesday. Quite unfortunate that the parliament is being politicized. But that's the nature of politics. Politics of what? Of who get what, when, and how. There are some who still practice that, Politics of who get what, when, and how. Comrade Perry, who appeared on this program some time ago, made that quite clear that the PNP still practice that type of politics. And so what we saw on Tuesday was the clear ideological divide that the country is now embarking on. Whether you want to accept it or not, Mr. Golden is campaigning for the next election. And that is unsettling, but it is the reality. It is the reality because this is a man that has not accepted that he lost the 2025 election. He has not accepted that. And that's a big problem, because it is affecting his behavior. It's almost as if he feels entitled. And entitlement can drive people to do crazy things. Let's take a break. We're coming right back. Of the Hello Neighbor podcast, streaming live on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X, and all over the place. We are happy to announce the first Hello Neighbor podcast poll, which will be coming in April. We thank you for supporting that, and we will have a fascinating time analyzing what the people of Jamaica is saying. We are observing carefully the politics in Jamaica at a time when the global system is fragile. Jamaica is having its own political instability. And I say so because politics has gotten involved in the day-to-day operations of our country in a very negative way. The country is recovering from a Category 5 hurricane, and the leadership of the opposition is casting its mind onto 2030. That's unfortunate, but that is our reality. Because labor rights are not going to just sit down and allow this to go on, you know. The space is going to become very competitive because Mr. Golden is suggesting that they barely lost the election and that the writing is on the wall. Comrades feel that they are within striking distance from Jamaica House. And the posture of the leader of the opposition suggests that he's a man that is prepared to do anything to fulfill that elusive dream of becoming Prime Minister of Jamaica. And I can tell you that the labor rights are going to have none of it. And if anything, Golden would have emboldened labor rights to make sure that that never happened. One man on the social media space said that now go happen. That will never happen.
Ladies and gentlemen, check this out.
That now go happen. That will never happen. But when you draw ideological lines in politics, what that does is that it divides the nation. Divides the nation. And I believe that it is time for the Jamaica Labour Party, in their approach, to reflect on the history of the PNP. We need to have a discussion about our history. What is the history of the party that is suggesting that they are within striking distance from assuming power? And make no mistake about it, it is a democracy. It is a democracy. I believe that the party will have to define its values and to make a clear distinction, especially with the generation today, of why it is that the Jamaica Labour Party is a better government than the People's National Party. And when you make these types of comments, people label you. It's not a matter of label. It's a matter of historical fact. Because when you talk about legacy, the Jamaica Labour Party has a proud history of pushing social justice, economic empowerment, and national pride. From the days of Bustamante, the fight for workers' rights, to the current administration's strides in economic growth, the party has consistently worked towards a more equitable Jamaica. And you know, the politics has gotten so interesting because you now have a clear difference in ideology, economic ideology. You know, you have conservatism, you have liberalism, and you have socialism. Now, the People's National Party leans towards a social democratic principles. Social democratic principles. When you listen to the budget, they are not abstract, you know. The budget presentations are not abstract. They form a thought. It gives you an idea of how a party would govern. And we see, especially in this year's budget presentation, the social democratic ideals of the PNP coming out. Even in the questioning of the Cuban doctors' contract termination, there are left-leaning policies that the PNP generally pursues. When you listen to Golding, it's status, it's big government. Government is to give 1 degree per household, give more money to people, give more money to MPs, $50 million to each MP. Big government. The Jamaica Labour Party, on the other hand, is center-right to liberal. It tends to be more center-right. What it emphasizes market principles, economic growth, and individual entrepreneurship. They are pro-business, generally support a business-friendly policies, investment and economic reforms aimed at boosting growth. They are what we call conservatives. They have traditionally focused on law and order and maintaining stability. Those are the two pathways that we have before us. And we're going to test it in April. You want to hear what the Jamaican people are saying about these two perspectives. Which of them is better for Jamaica? As a matter of fact, Harry, if you're listening, that is something that we should explore. Which of these ideologies is better for Jamaica at this point? Those are the decisions that we have to make. But clearly, Jamaica is divided. The parties have taken sides, and Mr. Golden has made it quite clear he's not going to be working with Andrew Holness. He's not going to be working with Andrew Holness. And therefore, it's going to have to be left to the people. So we join you at just about sometime this afternoon to cover the Prime Minister's presentation, and we're hoping that you will join us then. I don't know if I have a caller. Shafreen, do I have any calls?
I posted the link. There's no one. And let me see on TikTok if you have anyone. Who's here? So on TikTok, oh yes, you do. You have a few. You have Sharon, Marshall.
Do I have anyone?
Yes, you do. You have Sharon's actually in the box on TikTok.
Okay. Good morning to you, caller. Morning.
Hi, neighbor. How are
Who is this
you?
now? Who is this? Who am I talking with? Hi.
This is Sharon Palmer.
Hi. How are you doing?
Yes, how are you, Brother Whiteley? How are you? I am so proud of you with this program here. Yes.
Hello, neighbor here though.
Yes, hello, neighbor. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
How is everybody in that neck of the wood?
Everybody is doing good, man. It's up to last night we were calling your name. Yes.
Really?
And I was in. Yes, telling them, watch Hello Neighbor.
Well, that's fantastic. That's good.
Yes, because
Yeah.
I have learned so much information on this program here. Yes. A lot of
You watch on YouTube?
On TikTok.
Okay, on TikTok. Okay, all right.
Yes, my brother. It is so informative.
Mm-hmm.
Everything. Some things I may never realize and know. Yeah, especially Brother Scratchy, man. Whoa! And Harry. My
Yes.
God, man. I tell you, it's a good program. And if everybody should listen to this program, they will learn and understand. Say, PLI, the other people, they might tell.
Quite true.
PLI. PLI. Yeah. So I will continue watching.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes, my brother. All right. You have a
Take care.
blessed day. Yeah, man.
Bye.
Cool.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. So we're going to be
We have Mark.
okay, we have Mark. All right.
Yes, on TikTok.
Hello, Mark. Morning, Mark. Hello, Mark. Okay. All right. So I think
Mark, open your microphone.
all right. So I think we have tested and we know what to correct for later on, Sheffrey.
Yes.
Look at that. We have 100 people up on TikTok. What a fantastic thing that is, eh?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, all right. So we're encouraging all of you who are on TikTok now to go subscribe to the pages, Sheffrey. Yes.
Yes.
Right. So that you can catch the program live this evening on YouTube and all the other social media spaces. Fantastic. Sorry, say that again.
And once you find the channel, and then you find the link to all the other social media platforms.
I tell you what, Sheffrey, you have to go come up on the TikTok to say what you're saying because I'm hearing you on WhatsApp. So just come up on TikTok and then you can talk with the listeners. Let me just add you. All right. I have my friend 2 grand. 2 grand, you don't treat me good at all, sir. My God, man. Make you treat your brother so. So send me a request on TikTok, Jeffrey. All right, so here you are now. So you are up on TikTok. All right, so yes, Jeffrey?
Yeah, so
Hello, everybody. Oh, 1 second.
Yeah, she
Sorry about the feedback. How is
yeah,
this?
we ironing out everything here. First day we get it.
How about now? Is this better?
That's better.
Okay. So I put the link in the chat. So copy the YouTube link, paste it in the browser, and then you could go to the YouTube channel. You could subscribe to the channel. And once you get to the channel, go to the description and you'll find all the links to all the social media platforms there. So you can go there and follow us from all platforms, please.
Can you repeat that, Jeffrey?
Sure. So copy and paste the link that I posted in the chat.
Okay.
Put it in your browser. And once you get to the YouTube page, subscribe to our channel. and there's a description about the channel, and you can go there and you'll find the link to all the social media platforms, and you can follow us and subscribe to our other channels from there.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. All right, great. Stay where you are. Jeffrey, so that's going to be it for us today on this test run. I guess we will we'll be back later, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. So later.
Thanks for helping us with the testing today.
Yes, okay, yeah, absolutely fantastic. All right, okay. Okay, can I see? Yes, okay. To give 1 degree from us, give more money from us.
Hi, Neighbour.
Hi, Caroline. How are you doing?
I'm good. Hi, Shafreen.
Hi, Caroline.
Okay. So, what is this? The StreamYard?
The YouTube was the StreamYard. This one is just TikTok and the YouTube Live. So that one was tested and it's ended. So for later we could do either one. Either we could do everything through StreamYard and have all the banners and everything show from all platforms, or just do it like this where we have some of them through StreamYard and the other ones on independently.
Oh, okay. So, Neighbour, you got it?
Well, all I need to do is to broadcast. I think Shafreen is handling all of the technical thing from her.
Oh no, I'm asking, so is it that now you can handle it from there?
No. I'm not handling it. I'm not handling. Shafreen is handling. So all I have is access. But isn't that so, Shafreen?
Yes, but if, like I said, if you want to, you can. It's just, like it can be overwhelming if you're focused on delivering the message.
Right.
So yeah, I control the studio in the back.
So is Neighbour live on YouTube now?
We're still live, yes.
He is no longer live on YouTube, but he's live on TikTok now.
No, but I'm oh yes, you ended it.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know you were going on. I wish I'd known. I wish I could have seen it.
Oh, it's there. You can go back and replay.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
All right. So we're just live on YouTube now. What about the other platforms?
So the other platform, so I'll set it up so we can go on multiple for later.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll add all of them when I put out the upcoming stream. I'll add all of them, and then we can go live at the same time on all the platforms later.
Oh, well, nice. Great job, Shafreen.
No worries. It's a pleasure.
Neighbor, don't get too nervous now.
I've been with her from 10 o'clock in this class, and I must tell you the truth. How did I do, teacher chef?
You did amazing. Thank you. You
Out
were a
of
quick
10,
learner.
out of 10,
Yeah.
how much you would give me out of 10?
10 for keeping the momentum. And not being distracted by anything on the technical side.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, Minister of Technology.
All right. Well, I'm hearing from some people that we probably will have to work on camera and lighting, and someone is here telling me, they do these things all along, so they are sending us some information. I'll pass them on to you, Sheffield.
Thank you. That's
Thank
great.
Thank you, $2,000.
That's
Grand
great.
is-
It's good to
grand
have
is-
the feedback. Yeah.
$2,000 is live with us, and he's telling us, we're gonna have to get some other equipment to make sure that there's but I'm sure we can do that. Did you hear, Caroline, that we have a new poll coming out in April? The Hello Neighbor poll?
Cole?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's going to be an election?
Well, no, but we're still going to be testing what's happening out there on the ground.
Oh, no. Neighbor, I had no idea you were live. Someone just called me and asked me if I know you were on, and I said no.
Well, no, we were testing. Sheffield just tested. I'm actually shocked that we in 5 minutes got 100 people. This is amazing. We had no idea that, because we never wanted to even go live, but we had to test the platform. So this was just a test, and we rock up 100 and people. So I don't know.
Well, you're not too far away from 2 o'clock, neighbor.
Yeah, but I haven't even had a cup of tea from morning. You know that I haven't slept all night. You know that.
Oh, wow.
Well, you should know. You should know. When I left last night, I went out of town and didn't come back until early this morning.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you later on then.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Great job. Thank you, Shafreen.
You're most welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Listeners, we see you all again this evening. What time will we be on today, neighbor?
Well, I see Harry saying that his mother called him at his mother called him. I think we'll be on maybe at about 3 o'clock. Let's go for 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock Jamaican time?
3 o'clock Jamaican time. As a matter of fact, I as soon as the Prime Minister starts to speak, I'm going to be here. I ask you to bear with me. As soon as the Prime Minister starts to speak, I will take matches and cut up my eye and come.
All right. Well, send me a message, okay?
Yes, or send me a coffee.
Pardon?
Send me a coffee.
A what?
Coffee.
Coffee. Okay. Yes, neighbor. I'll definitely send you a colada.
Thank you.
Of course.
I'm going to need something to keep me up. You hear?
Well, Harry says the speech starts at 2 p.m. Jamaican time.
No. Parliament starts at 2. They get through some preliminaries, and then the speech will start maybe closer to 3 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. See you then.
We'll be live.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Sheffield?
Yes, neighbor.
Do we go back to class or do we take lunch?
We can take lunch, and I'll set up everything for later, including getting you access to the budget speech, so you can have a seamless live stream.
Okay, lovely, fantastic. On. Okay, great. Where have you been? Padua? Where have I been? What do you mean, where have I been? I've always been here. You haven't been watching the show? Okay, this is nice. This is nice that we have launched what we have promised our listeners. Excellent, Sheffrin. So, is it on YouTube? It will be on YouTube, Jen. And all of the shows as of this evening will be live on YouTube and on Facebook too.
Well, not on Facebook. Facebook told us we need to wait a little longer, but we'll be on X. We might be on Instagram. I'll see if we can get on Spotify as well. So I'll just be interested in all of them.
Yes.
Broadcasts. But for sure, we'll be on YouTube, TikTok, X, possibly Instagram.
Yes.
But not Facebook yet. They say we have to wait a couple months.
Okay.
Okay, neighbor, just a quick note before I go. Could you please change the name from the Politics Plus podcast to the Hello Neighbor podcast, please?
All right, I'll speak to you off here on that because I'm just getting a message here from my friend Kubran that we may have to make a little adjustment with that because there are some people who have that too. So we're gonna
Hello Neighbor podcast.
So what is happening is that when people type it in, it comes. So we don't have to change it, but we want to add something pieces to make that come straight up. Plus, okay, it's been a journey. But I talked to Sheffrin about it, and she talked.
Okay.
All right. Anna Marie, turn. All right, listeners, take care of yourself. We here. Catch you later. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone. Have a good rest of the day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.